Last class, we stopped with the sign confused. Today, we're ready to pick up with some helping word signs. So just some signs that will help us kind of build those sentences. We're going to do don't mind, do you mind, to arrive. So the first one, don't mind, do you mind. So it's a pointer finger off the nose. To change it from don't mind to do you mind, you have to use a different facial expression. So if someone said, do you mind if I borrow your pencil? No, I don't mind. But if you are being annoying, making noise when somebody's trying to study or take a test, they might look at you like, do you mind? I'm trying to work. So you change the meaning by changing the facial expression. Sign stays the same. Pointer finger off the nose. Next one. Movie. Movie. Next one. Watch. Watch. To watch, right? I like to watch movies. Watch. Next one. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. So now you know deaf or deaf, hearing, and hard of hearing. Do or owe, tap your pointer finger in your palm. When is homework due? Or what do I owe you? And the last one, to arrive. Okay, let's go back over. Don't mind, do you mind? Movie, watch, hard of hearing, do, owe, arrive. See you tomorrow.